Hello students, welcome to SS Power Education. Today I am going to start with a new topic, that is multiplication and division in decimal numbers. Okay, so there are few steps, which is multiply the two given decimal numbers ignoring the decimal points. So this means that we have to multiply the two given numbers, two given decimal numbers without seeing that they have a decimal point. We have to multiply it normally. After multiplication, we have to see both numbers decimal point, the places of decimal numbers. See, like here it is 1 2 3 4 5, so we have to add the numbers and then we have to put the decimal point before the sum of that decimal place. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5, so here answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 and the point. Understood? I'll explain here one sum. So for example, 4.09 into 5.6 is there. So we just have to multiply it normally as we do the multiplication. So this will be your multiplication. Okay. So this is the answer. Now we have to see how many decimal places is there. 1, 2 and 3. So we have to write the we have to draw the decimal point 1, 2, 3 and decimal point. Understood? So now multiplication will be done normally, but the decimal points will be before the numbers in the question, where decimal places we have to count the numbers and then draw the decimal point. Okay, now let's see what more is there. So no matter how many numbers are there, we have to, like here they have 3 numbers. Okay, so first we have to multiply this and this, and then we can multiply this number with the product of this 2 numbers. Okay, now multiplication of a decimal number by 10 or higher powers of 10. So to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, shift the decimal point to the right by as many digits as there are zeros in the multiplier. So this sentence means that if the number is multiplied, with a if a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, so we just have to shift the point in the right side, to the right side by as many numbers of 0 is there. So if 0 is there, like if 10 is there, then we have to shift the point from one place to the other in the right side. If 100 is there, then by 2 numbers we have to shift it. If 1000 is there, then we have to shift the point by 3 numbers. And so on. We'll see the examples and then you'll understand it more nicely. So now the division part. So division of a decimal number by a natural number. So when we are dividing a decimal number by a natural number, so divide in the ordinary way, and in the quotient obtained, place the decimal just after the division of the integral part of the given decimal number. So if we are dividing it with a natural number, then what we have to do is we have to see in the question here where the decimal point is there, before how many numbers we have to put the decimal point exactly same. No difference will be there here. And when the decimal number is divided by 10, 100, 1000, then what we have to do is we have to just shift the decimal point in the given number to the left. Now while multiplying it, the decimal point is to be shifted to the right side, but while dividing, the decimal point should be shifting towards the left side. As many zeros are there, we have to shift the point towards the left side. Okay, so division of the decimal number by a decimal number. So this was by a natural number, this was by 10, 100,000, and now we'll divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So form a fraction with the decimal number to be divided as the numerator and the other decimal number, which is the denominator. So we have to write it in the fraction form, numerator and denominator. Now multiply both the terms of the fraction formed in step 1 by 10 or 100 or 1000 so that the decimal point in the denominator is removed, and then divide. So we just have to do is we have to see the denominator. Okay, as many decimal places number is there, okay, the number after the point. So we have to multiply, so we have to just add the number of zeros here and multiply it to get rid of that decimal point in the denominator part. Okay, if there is the decimal point left in the numerator, there is no problem, we can still divide it, but we have to get rid of the decimal point in the denominator place. Okay, and after that we have to divide it, same like what we have done in the natural number method. Okay, same way we have to divide it. So now let's jump into the exercise, which is 8C. Okay, now I'll start solving it. So let's begin with the first question. So the first one is 5.6 multiplied by 8. Okay, so we have to multiply it normally. 8 5. Now only one number is there in the decimal place, so we'll put the point before one number. Okay, now the second one will be 38.46 into 9. Okay, so now this will become 346.14. Okay, now the third question is 0.943 into 62. So okay, so this will become 123, so 123. Okay, 58.466. Now fourth question is 0.0453 into 35. This is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, and this is 5 1. So 1 2 3 4, here the answer will come. 1.5855 is your answer. Okay, now the question number 5 is 7.5 into 2.5. Now 5 5 is 25, 37, 10 and 15. So 1 and 2, so 1 2, the point will come here in the middle. Okay, 18.75. Now the sixth one is 4.23 into 0.8. One, two, three. So 1 2 3. Here the point will come 3.384. Okay. Seventh one is 83.54 into 007. 28, 37, 24, 58. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point will come here. 5.8478 is your answer. Okay. Now the eighth one is 0.636 into 183. Okay. 1.83, sorry. 18, 19, 48, 28, 50. Here 0 will come. This is 636. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here the point will come 1.16388. Okay. Now the second question will be evaluate. It will be same like that only, the above one. Just 3 numbers can be there here. So the first question will be 0.0008 into 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4 number 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the point will come. So your answer will be 0.0208. Now the second question is 0.038 into 95. So 40, 19. So 1, 2, 3 number. So 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be 3.610. Okay. Now the third one is 1.2 into 2.4 into 3.6. So first we'll do this both. And the product of this will be multiplying the next number. So what we have to do is count the numbers after the decimal places. 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be 10.368. Okay. Now the fourth one is 0.9 into 1.8 into 0.27. So first we'll multiply both the numbers. Okay. Into 0.27. So we will see what the how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number will come before, the point will come before 4 numbers. Okay, so the answer will be 0.4374. Okay. Now the fifth question will be 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5. So we just have to multiply it normally like we have done. 7 225 into 15. 25 12 5733. So 3375 123. So the answer will be 3.375. Okay. So the sixth question is 0.025 into 0.025. Okay. So what we'll do is 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12, 1. 2 5s are 10, 5 0 0, 5 2 6 0 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So your answer will be 0.000625. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, now the seventh question is 0.2 into 0.002 into 0.001. So we'll write it. Answer will be 4. Now 4 into 1 will be 4. We'll just put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 decimal numbers will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 0.000004 is your answer. Okay. Now the third question is multiply each of the following numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So this is very easy. We just have to shift the decimal points. So now we'll have to multiply all the questions with 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. So the decimal points will shift. So this will become 39. This will become 39 and 10 will be added here. This will become 3900. Okay. One decimal place is there, so 10 can shift the point to the right side, and now the extra 0 was there, so I have put it in the right side. Okay. Now the second question is 2.89 into 10, 2.89 into 100, 2.89 into 1000. So this will become 28.9 okay. This will become 289. This will become 2890. Okay. Now the third one will be, so now the number is 0.0829 into 10, 0.0829 into 100, 0.0829 into 1000. Okay. This will shift here, this will shift here, this will shift here. So 0.0829. So the point will come from here to here. So this will become 0.829. Now this will become 829. 8.29. Okay. And this will become 82.9. Okay, understood? We just have to shift the points towards the right side. Okay, as many zeros are there. Okay. So now the next question is the fourth one, 40.3 into 10 into 100 into 1000. 403 because the point shifted. Now the point will shift and the 1 0 will come here and this. Okay, it's very simple if you concentrate. 0.3725 into 10, 0.3725 into 100, 0.3725 into 1000 is equals to 3.725, 37.25 and 372.5. Okay, the points are shifting one by one to the right side. Okay. So now the division part is there. I think I should not make the video lengthy, so I'll just explain this question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the next video. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept, the topic. Do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Bye.